ورحمة الله وبركاته والصلاة والسلام على محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Hello my friends, today we will learn a new letter from the Arabic alphabet. It's the letter Shin. Shin. Together we will discover the name, sound, articulation point and shapes in writing, and we will practice coloring and writing it. Now the name of the letter is Shin. 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 In this picture you see the letter here in the public form. Shin. Shin, and these arrows show us how it's written. It will be written. And not forget the three dot above it. And the sound of the letter is ish, 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 ish. We will talk in this picture here about the articulations or point for the letter, which is located as shown in this picture at the middle of the tongue. And at the middle of the tongue and the middle of the upper palate, allowing the air to pass between the tongue and the upper palate. This here, until this, we talked about many letters. The letter alif, alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, dhal, ra, zay, sin, and now shin. Moving on to this picture here, we notice that the shape of the letter changes depending on its position in the word. At the beginning of a word, it connects with the following letter, as in the word Shams. Shams have the letter Shin in the beginning of a word, and it's connected with the following letter. Now, in the middle of the word, we have the letter Shin in the middle here, like yushahid, show, showing it something. Yushahid, Shin is in the middle, and it's connected to the letter previous and after it. Preceding and the following letter. Right. And in the end of a word, and in the end of a word, or connected or not connected. Connected, it's like Rish. Rish have the letter Shin in the end of a word connected. Or not connected, it's like the Farash. Farash or Firash. Firash, it's like a bed. Shin will be written in the public form, not connected to the letter Alif. We talked about the sound ish, 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 ish. Right? The sound is very important. Ish, ish. Now we will move on to an exercise of finding the letter Shin and coloring it. This is the letter Shin here. I will try to coloring the letter Shin. and not forget the 3 dots. You can write 3 dots, or you can write this like this here. This is Shin, this is Shin 2. This is Shin here. This is Shin 2. And this is Shin of sorry, I will make a circle around it because of the time. Now, what's the letter here? What the letter here? This is Ra. This is Zay. Dal. Alif. Sin. Ra. Sin. Sin. This is Shin. Zay. Ra. And Dal and Zay and Dal. Now, finally, we moving to writing. Please have a pen and paper and try to write with me the letter Shin in the Shin, sorry, in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end of a word. Now we write from top to bottom. We write like this. Now, in the beginning, like this here. This is in the beginning, and not forget the 3 dots. So it's of computer on the computer. It's really hard to write like in the hand, but it's easy to show you how we write the letter Shin. And 3 dots. In the middle, from right to the left, top, top, bottom, left, top, top, bottom, left, top, and after that, left, top, bottom, left, and 3 dots, like this here. And 3 dots. What? Like this. Okay. Now 3 dots. And now the letter Shin in the end of a word connected or not connected. Connected like this will be written 3 dots. If you want the this pictures, write comment to me, and I will send or make the picture on with the video. If you want to print it and to try to write the letter Shin. The writing is very important because you will write the word, and when you write a word, you should write from the right to the left or from top to the bottom. So this is how will letter Shin written. I was schnell, I was fast. I will try to write it like now easy. Shin in the end of the word, from right to the left. We make this three I will try again like this. Okay, in the and 3 dots. in the beginning. 3. You start from the right. Draw 3 small upward strokes like little teeth. Yes, teeth. I will say teeth. You write this 3 teeth, and after that Shin. That is in the beginning of the word. In the middle, right, left 3 teeth, and after that to the left met with 3 dots. In the end of the word connected, right, left, after that 3 dot, 3, let's say, 3 teeth, and after that 3 dots. In the end of the word not connected, 3 teeth, and after that the ball, and after that we write the 3 dots. Well done, everyone. Today we learned the name of and the sound of the letter Shin, its articulation point and characteristics, its different shapes and word examples, coloring and writing practice. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, turn on notifications, share this lesson with your friends. See you in the next lesson with a new Arabic letter. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.